Oh, well, that's okay. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Monday, July 11th. Well, where the blister beetles attacked, this was the last patch that we planted. I wasn't really going to dig these up until September. We're getting a little bit, but they did a number on them. So come on, let's see what we got. There's an old saying, sometimes you eat the bar, and sometimes a bar eats you. It looks like we got ate by the bear. Although the little purple ones, you'd be surprised. These little purple fingerlings do just fine when you bake them up. They're beautiful. So it's not all lost. Sure would have liked to have a little bigger harvest. But we got a couple little ones. And then we got a couple bigger ones. Guess I'll have to eat that one since I stabbed it. That one was coming on pretty good. Yeah, we would have had quite a few more potatoes if we would have had just a little more time. Well, there you go. If that would have had just a little more time. Those are nice. I must have planted a whole bunch of purple ones. Well, of course I did. Well, I'm sure a couple of these have died back a little bit, but we got good growth on a couple of these. We're going to go ahead and let them hang out just a little while longer. One, I'm an optimist. Two, I'm really hot. And three, I've got a squash to cook up. So, what are some of the lessons learned? One, when your potatoes are growing really well, you can't tell how much mulch is on there. So once they start coming up, maybe it's a good idea to put a little extra mulch on them. Some of these areas were pretty thin. Second lesson learned, sometimes the bugs will knock you out. But looking at the number of potatoes that we have, if we would have had a little more time, and that's still a pretty nice little haul. Lesson number 3, when life hands you lemons, you make mashed potatoes. We're not completely out of the woods yet. I got a patch right behind me. We got another patch up front that we planted late just for seed potatoes. We might have changed our plans a little bit. There's quite a few nice little potatoes in here we'll put in a paper sack and put back in the closet. We'll use those for seed potatoes. It's only a few months away and we're going to start planting again. You can do this too. Add a little extra mulch. It's plenty moist underneath here, so I don't think the water was a problem. Remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. That's really not a bad haul at all. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.